Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm about to teach you how to take a long exposure photo on iPhone. So this is going to be very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. To do this, firstly you need to go to your camera and then here you click any of the photo that you want. So here I'm clicking photo of the mouse. So turn on the menu and make sure your live is on. So click the photo. So here's the photo. So now just go to your photos, click on the photo that you have recently clicked and then click on the live option, and here you have option called long exposure. So your photo is changed to long exposure. So thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.